Kecaya lenti uwe usamla ban sungsa rong ya la kejong bat ban kente ya ka Tynrai la jong sakaran san ki bahe jong ka parthai menta ka snem arajal arphawai ulakin jo shaka ship house nam kanthi kane kecaya lenti jong u Sibenta ban pensa nam ya uni umaumer jong ka kanhun jong uni usamla ka arpusan tarik menta unai wing kala long ka singi ka bakarpang haka bala pen inami ki Riam ki ben ki bala sandur da uni usamla Hakani kasni ka kanhon jong samla Daniel Syiem ka kanhon ka batray haka benta jong ka fashion show ya ka balatip kum ka Daniel Syiem Ethnic Fashion House kala rakhe karpang ya ka jingdap ship house nem pura jong ka ni ka kanhon ka batray haka liang ban sandur ya ka Riam ki ben Tynrai da ka bapendon kampat ya ka spa Tynrai ka badon hakani ka jala Meghalaya Hakani kecing rakhe ka bala penlong Hawindemere Resort ka badan haumpling Shillong le don ringkat ru menteri rang ba ka jala ukon rat kongkal sangma ubala long ukong san ha ka jialang ringkat ka jidon lang ki wede ki kendrem kilendan ke bala shakot ngobha hakani kecing rakhe ka kanhon Daniel Syiem Ethnic Fashion House kadai ka balaya lam prat lenti da usamla Daniel Syiem ko menong sandur ye ke Riam ki ben ne ka fashion uba penlet jingmut pat ban penwandur lang ye ki jingdon jing em ka spa mariang hakani ka jella kamtam ka jandrindia ka barem dor hakani ka singi ba menta Sibenta na kajing penina mi ki Riam ki bala sandur do usamla Daniel Syiem hakani ka singi kala danru ka fashion show haka balaya simbenta da ki samla dat Riam ringkat ki riu pau khamat ka jela bakan thup yau MLA uba Charles Spingrove u IAS officer uba MR Syndrome bat ikong Bertha Dakar Hakani ka ransan hakani ka singi la pelat pat baru yak online store jong ka Daniel Syiem Ethnic Fashion House
The first Rindia gown ever created by Daniel Syiem, being adorned by Riam, former Miss Geelong, and an avid supporter of Daniel Syiem and his works, presenting to you our first Rindia gown. Another proud owner of Daniel Syiem's creations, the lovely Dhara, the Rindia Dhara. To without our men folk, but Syiem taking the stage now in the Rindia court. On the ramp. Looking lovely, Priya. Thank you. Very close friend of Daniel and a well-known personality across the world with his singing talent. Auntie Bertha with Keenan. pursue this fabric despite its difficulty of sourcing. It feels like second skin. It describes our heritage and culture. It's the work of our weavers from the state of Meghalaya, particularly from Riam district. Call upon Daniel Syiem on the stage, please. Followed by the weavers. Take a bow, Daniel Syiem. Kinong Thanjai, Skongrom on her stage. Kinong Thanjai. Now I call upon our respected chief guest. Can you...
So at the very outset, I would like to congratulate Daniel and his entire team. For the last 10 years, he has been doing what he has, and the most important fact being that he's doing what he loves doing. And really that's something that one must appreciate and one must admire. And during his 10 years journey, I'm sure he must have faced a number of challenges. But I always tell people that when you do something that you believe in and you do something that you're really passionate about, no matter how many challenges or failures you come across, you always move forward, you'll always stand up, and you'll always move ahead. So I must congratulate Daniel and his entire team on this successful 10-year journey, and I'm sure that in the future more such events and many more successes will come his way and his entire team's way.